Okay, so another strategy you could use in your classroom are math journals. Math journals let students really examine their own problem solving and help them formalize and become more self-aware about their learning process. And it also gives students a chance to look at other students' processes if you let them um, read other students' journals. So what you could do in your classroom is um, use the math journal as something that they do when they're getting ready to almost have a content be mastered. So you could use the math journal itself as kind of a check to see where students are, maybe before you take a test or a quiz or something like that. So what you could do is have students work through some problems. Maybe they've done them individually. And then have them pick a problem that they think, okay, I knew this problem pretty well, and have them journal on how they solved that problem. So they're physically writing the problem out and then writing how they solved that problem. So then you've got at the end a whole book of different problems that the kids feel like they were pretty confident about. Um, and they have, and then you have a book of writing where they've progressed throughout the year on how they have verbalized those problems.